I'm Kenneth, I'm 35. I'm an electrical engineer who specializes in lighting. This is Zing, my wife. She is 34 and she's an account executive. This house is a 4-room resale HDB unit located around Sengkang. The renovation took about 2 to 2.5 months and the total renovation cost, just the renovation cost, is about 90K. We actually surveyed online through Canvas, through some advertisement as well. We actually met up some of the IDs as well. Then I've asked around and found out that Fly is actually doing reno as well. So over the long term, we asked around and we decided to go with Fly. I actually got to know Fly through a video game. But over long term, many years, we became closer and closer and became good friends. Moving in, you'll see the shoe cabinet, followed by the dining space with the dry pantry corner. Next area would be the living room. On the right hand side would be the kids room, followed by the left room would be the work from home or study room. The left corner would be the master bedroom, followed by the master toilet. Coming back one full cycle here, you'll see lastly the kitchen. We actually felt excited when we first saw the unit's completion. We actually felt relieved that it was actually done correctly to what we actually expected. Our jobs are actually quite fast-paced, quite demanding, and after a tired day of grinding, we actually want to come back, unwind and rest. Come with something simple, something cozy, something comfortable where you can relax. And ultimately, it just felt comfortable. Friends and family who actually had visited us actually just commented it was cozy and comfortable. It has a very nice, relaxed feel to it. Special features of course that we actually enjoy a lot would be the dining and living area with the dry pantry. The coffee machine is over here. Anytime I actually have a personal barista to actually brew a cup of coffee for me. Our favorite spot is actually right here in the dining and living room actually. Anything we can just relax, watch the TV, have a meal, have a conversation anytime. And anytime we can just grab another cup of coffee. Advice for new homeowners who want to do renovation. I should advise them to do their research. Not every ID will have the same proposal, and once you do have the proposal on site with your ID, do check it out again in person on site. What you see on paper on a rendering might be different when you see it in person. What makes a home truly ours? Comfort. In the end, we actually want to come back after work to relax and unwind and some place where you feel safe and relaxed. That's what we call home.